Want to know how to purchase items in Paladins? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step tutorial. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply get into a match of Paladins. So make sure you join any mode. So in this mode, I'm on capture or seize. So in order to purchase items, make sure you are under spawn or you are facing spawned. So if you go outside your spawn location, you should not be able to buy. So once you have done all that, on the bottom you should be seeing press I to purchase items, right here. So you can just simply select that. So once you have figured that, here you should be seeing items up. So your auto purchase can be enabled or disabled. So you can just simply turn off or turn on this like this right here. And if you can just simply turn off auto purchase and you can buy it just like this right here. So you can also see your credits and the credit items that are needed on the left side right here. And that's it. This is how you easily buy items in Paladins. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.